Welcome back to our channel. This time around, however, we're offering up a selection of the finest natural wonders on Earth for your viewing pleasure. Prepare to be awed by from great heights and thrilling displays of motion in the sky. Let's dive in. 1. Grand Canyon, USA. Grand Canyon, USA. It is the first one on our list, so it came as no real surprise to me that in 1887 Gua and Grand Canyon, PDF link, the massive gorge carved by the Colorado River into Arizona is some 277 miles long, up to 18 miles across at its widest point, and over a mile deep. Exposed rock layers reveal millions of years of geologic history. Each layer represents an environment or climate in which unique forms lived, and when they died. Dozens of unbelievably beautiful sunrises and sunsets. This is the most visited part of Grand Canyon, as it provides many lookout points and hiking trails for visitors, whereas North Rim gets fewer tourists per year and takes longer to reach, offering a distinct angle at this natural wonder. 2. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Australia. Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system. 8. Spanning more than 1,400 miles of the northeast coast Australia, it comprises over 2,900 separate reefs and forms a barrier between the mainland coastline and open sea. Once UNESCO World Heritage listed, the seas encompass over 1,500 species of fish and more than 411 types of hard coral, along with an array of sharks, rays, dolphins, etc. The reef draws a variety of activities, including snorkeling and diving as well as science. But it is extremely vulnerable to climate change, pollution and overfishing, so urgent measures for conservation are more necessary than ever. 3. Northern Lights, Arctic Circle. The Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. Read more. Is a magnificent natural light show mainly visible from high-latitude locations close to the Arctic. This happens when solar particles collide with atmospheric gases, resulting in colorful displays of green, pink, red, and purple lights. The lights can be viewed in the winter months, specifically from places like Norway, Finland, Sweden, and Iceland, all through to Canada and Alaska. Seeing those lights waltz across a canvas of the nighttime sky can be life-changing, spiritually reaching, and otherworldly. 4. Mount Everest, Nepal/Tibet. The highest mountain in the world, at 29,032 feet, 8.9 km. Situated in the Himalayas on the border of Nepal and China, Tibet Autonomous Region, it has actually ended up being a popular place for hill climbers. The climb itself is a dangerous one, since it's 29.2 feet in the air with treacherous weather conditions combined with high-altitude sickness and physical strains of an ascent like that. This first summit was completed by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in 1953. Today, climbers from all over the world try to scale Everest, but it is very dangerous and they need a great deal of preparation, or are we saying, because as both ideas address one concept about the expedition, for acclimatization. 5. Victoria Falls, Zambia/Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls, located on the Zambezi River at the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, is one of largest waterfall in world. The falls, known locally as Mosi Oe Tunya or the smoke that thunders, span a width of 1,708 meters and stand at 108 m. Runoff from the falls can create a mist visible miles away and makes an awe-inspiring thunderous roar. Explore the falls from numerous vantage points, including the Soaking Knife Edge Bridge or Devil's Pool, a natural rock pool perched on the edge of Cascades. Only the most adventurous swimmers need apply, and watch in awe as 500 million liters churn over every minute. 6. Parcutin Volcano, Mexico. The Parcutin volcano, which sprang to life in a cornfield one fateful day back in 1943, and earned itself the title of Mexico's only volcano that suddenly appeared, is something else entirely. Rapid lengthening over the course of a year brought its height to 1,391 foot. It is now 9,210 foot high and provides an amazing snapshot of the life cycle of a volcano. The volcano remained active for another 9 years, adding dramatic lava fields and ash deposits. travelers can go for a hike to the top of Park Yutan, where they will find charming scenes and reminders that entire towns were buried during this eruption, demonstrating firsthand how formidable volcanoes are.
7. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The largest salt flat in the world is Salar de Uyuni, which stretches over 10 km squared. Created by the evaporation of ancient lakes, it is a vast stretch of feathery white salt that after some rain turns into a magnificent mirror effect, which looks as though you are walking onto heaven. It is also a significant source of lithium, around 7% of the planet's reserves, and serves as major breeding grounds for flamingos. Salar de Uyuni's exceptional scenery and dreamlike surroundings have made it a favorite with photographers and anybody looking for an otherworldly experience. 8. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. The archipelago is a province of Ecuador with 21 islands, 5 inhabited. The islands are renowned for their animal species unique to the location that were studied by Charles Darwin. His observations and collections contributed to his theory of evolution. With species such as the Galapagos tortoise, marine iguana, and flightless cormorant existing only here. These spots are the perfect place to see these creatures in their natural environment, and once-in-a-lifetime experience. As a World Heritage Site, the Galapagos is visited by many scientists and tourists who wish to see its fauna firsthand. 9. Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. The towering cliffs of Moher along the western coast of Ireland dip dramatically into the Atlantic Ocean. At 14 kilometers long and more than 214 meters tall, these offer jaw-dropping views of the Aran Islands, home to Ireland's most endangered species, Galway Bay, as well gnarled cliff. The cliffs are home to several species of seabird, puffins, razorbills, and guillemots. A new visitor experience, the world first under Oaken cruise ship tour visits, exhibits showing marine wildlife both above and below water. Over 15 million people per year visit the cliffs of Moher on Ireland's west coast. 10. Amazon rainforest, South America. Finally, the Amazon rainforest is Earth's largest tropical rainforest that includes home to species like jaguars and macaws can be found in 9 countries across South America. With a biodiversity that is second to none on Earth, this rainforest contains approximately 390 billion individual trees among around 16,000 species of them, countless animals and insects, and other plant life. We know that the Amazon is a critical ecosystem, regulating global climate change by absorbing large volumes of CO2. But it is under severe threat from deforestation, mining, and agricultural development. The protection of this key ecosystem is needed for the health of our planet. These natural wonders showcase the extraordinary beauty and diversity of our planet. Let's cherish and protect these incredible places for future generations. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.